I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to log in on Uber Eats. For that, open up your web browser. After you open up your app, enter ubereats.com on your search bar. And when you're done, tap on search, which is on bottom right of your keyboard. On top right, you'll see the option of sign in. Tap on it. Enter your email address or your mobile number, and when you're done, tap on next. After that, enter your password and then tap on next. This way you can log in on Uber Eats. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.